So guys, here's the next question of 2021 slot one. It's a question of algebra from the chapter of modulus. We recently revised the concept of modulus. See this guys, in this question it says that for how many integral values of n, the mode of n minus 60 is less than mode of n minus 100, less than mode of n minus 20. Now, if you know the distance approach of solving the question, guys, you can solve the question very easily. The first thing that you're supposed to do is draw the origin points. You can see that the origin points will be 20, 60, and 100. I want to choose the value of n in such a way that the distance of n from 60 should be less than the distance of n from 100, and it should be less than the distance from 20. Now guys, you should know that mode of x minus a is nothing but distance of x from the origin a, right? We in modulus, mode of x minus a is supposed to be read as distance of x from the origin a. So n minus 60 is supposed to be read as distance of n from 60. So what I want is distance of n from 60 should be less than distance of n from 100, and this should be less than distance of n from 20. Very simple question, guys, and I'm supposed to find out the integral possible values of n. You see that if I pick n in this region, you see that in this case n will be having the largest distance from 100, but I want the distance of n from 20 to be the largest. So therefore n will lie in the region of 60 to 100. And because it is given that the distance of n from 100 should be more than distance of n from 60, so can I say that the value of n will be lying on the left hand side of 80? It will be more closer to 60. In a way you can say that, because I want distance of n from 100 to be more than distance of n from 60. So can I say n will be more closer to 60? If it is more closer to 60 as compared to 100, it should be on the left hand side of 80, and it should be on the right hand side of 60, because from 60, right, distance of n from 60 would be 0, right? Distance of n from 60 would be 0, and distance from uh, in that case, right, you see that if I pick n as 60 only, if I put n as 60 only, in that case distance of n from 20 will be 40, and the distance of n from 100 will also be 40. But I want distance of n from 20 to be greater than the distance of n from 60. So therefore I need to pick n in the region of 60 to 80, but it should be greater than 60 but less than 80. That means the value of n can be anything from 61 to 79. So when I'm saying that n lies in the region of 61 to 79 with both values included, now how many integral values lies in this region? The answer would be 79 minus 61 plus 1. So the answer to the question would be 19, guys. This was a very simple question, right? N is equal to 60 is not supposed to be included, because in that case n will be having the same distance from 20 and 100. N is equal to 80 is also not supposed to be included, because in that case n would be at the same distance from 60 and 100 both. So n will lie in this region. When n will be in the region of 61 to 79, in that case all values of n, right, will be having a distance, right? The distance of n from 60 will be the least, and the distance of n from 20 will be the highest, and the distance of n from 100 will be in the middle, right? So that's the question, guys. Answer to the question would be 61. That's the correct answer. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part. Thank you.